So here we have a parametric equation with x defined in terms of t, y defined in terms of t, but y not defined in terms of x. And they want the equation for the tangent. Now the equation for a tangent, the equation for any line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And to find m, if it's a tangent, then m is equal to dy over dx for the curve. Now, we can't find dy by dx using this information, so we need the chain rule. And the chain rule says that dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. So dy by dt is just the derivative of that. So we can find that relatively easily. So dy by dt, the derivative of sine is simply cosine. So it's simply cosine t plus pi over 6. And we do the same for dx by dt. So dx by dt, the derivative of sine t is simply cosine t. And using the chain rule, we can find dy by dx as this divided by this. So dy by dx is cosine t plus pi over 6 divided by cosine t. Now, that doesn't answer the question because they asked for the equation for the tangent. To find the equation for the tangent, dy by dx is our m at the point where t equals pi over 6. So we still need to substitute pi over 6. So that goes into there and into there. So we can say m equals, and making sure our calculator is in radians, that gives us root 3 over 3. Okay, so now the equation of a straight line is y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So far, the only thing we've managed to do is to find m. Now, y1 and x1, we need to find from the equations here. So it's easy to do, but you need to remember that x and y are not given. So you need to put t equals pi over 6 here and here to find x1 and y1. So let's do x1 first. It's simply sine pi over 6. So that's going to be half. And then sine pi over 6 plus pi over 6. So I think that's going to be root 3 over 2. So now you can write the equation like this. Y minus root 3 over 2 equals m, which we said is root 3 over 3, times x minus 1 over 2. So we can leave it like that, but it's not very pretty. I suggest we get rid of these denominators by multiplying everything by 6. So you multiply the left by 6 and the right by 6. Why 6? Because that's the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3. So you end up with 6y minus 3 root 3 equals 2 root 3x minus 1. Is that right? No, it isn't. So let's do that again. So 6 over 3 is 2. So that's 2 root 3x, and then you have root 3. So the 6 over 3 is 2, 2 over 2 is 1, root 3. So you can say 6y minus 2 root 3x minus 2 root 3 equals 0, if you bring that to the other side. So that would be your final answer.